Hey everyone, welcome back. We want to use this tactical tape on an M&P, and we'll show you how that's, or how I do it and how I prefer it. Your way might be a little different, but let's start right here. You'll get your tape started, pull some of it out. I actually start my tape about in the middle here. I don't want it on the front or the back where your hands are rubbing and it frays these ends. So let me get it started here. I have it started right there. And what I will do is I will follow this texture line around to the side, and I will go just under my mag release. That way nothing's in the way. I will get all the way around till I hit almost, well, I will. I'll hit all of that seam where I started, and then I'll just turn it around and just kind of wrap around it. I don't have a lot of pressure on it, just a little bit, until I get down to the bottom right here, to where it's right next to the end. I will follow that right there all the way around. That way this right here is the same on both sides. Run it around to this side. And then I will get my scissors. Let me pull a little bit more there. I have it right there. I will just pull that on there, flatten it down, and there you go. It is taped. It is that easy. And you got a good, solid, feels like a really lightly padded grip. Again, like the other video, I really like how it feels. And the mag will fit on there with no problem. If you have a mag well, you're not going to disturb it. But it's right there. I got full grip on it right there. And it's got a good texture. Again, that tape ends, where did it end? Oh, right there. That tape ends right here in the middle. So when I'm grabbing it or I'm twisting around, whatever I'm doing, I don't have the seams on the front or the back where my hand frays those ends and really starts to bother you if you're shooting. This should be really good and not come apart on you. Again, like on the previous video, this is a gun I'm using in a class right now, 10 hours a day, 4 days a week right now. And it's held up this entire week. I've had it Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and it's holding up really good. Feels good. So I just wanted to show you how I put it on to help you put it on, and that way it stays and doesn't impede your shooting comfortability or shooting process. You guys have a good day. Bye.